Hey, what's up? It's Josh and Jay, and we are here at Overkill Computers. We're going to be talking to the CEO and founder, Lucas Wyman, and pick his brain, find out how he became such a successful entrepreneur, and maybe he'll slip us a few trade secrets while we're at it.
We're also going to be touring the warehouse, talking to some of his employees, seeing what they do day in and day out to make all these videos go viral.
Sounds like an awesome thing.
All right, let's go.
Let's do it! Woo! All right, hey man, what's your name?
Silas.
Silas, Josh, nice to meet you. What are you working on here?
This is just a build that we're just gonna hang on the wall and kind of have as a nice set piece.
So it's not actually gonna be a functioning computer?
No, it'll function, but it just won't function as much as some of the other ones.
Okay, so how long you been working here at Overkill?
About a year.
A year?
Yeah.
Okay. And in that time, has Lucas let you outside at all?
A little bit, not too often.
Yeah, he doesn't want to ruin this creamy alabaster skin that you have. You're clearly never going to have skin cancer. That's a good thing. I am here with Vinny. He is working on this custom piece right here. Now, Vinny, I know a lot about computers. Okay. I mean, there's email and the list goes on. But some people out there, they don't know anything. Right. So maybe you could tell me a little bit about what this looks really cool to me. What's the deal? Yeah, reminds me of Die Hard 3.
It's pretty sweet. It has a dual loop, so it's a different pump on each side. 4090, 13900K is basically the best you can get.
14K.
Even a little custom screen to read out whatever you want on it.
And how much RAM does it have?
64. It used to have 128, but
wow, that's a lot of RAM.
That's a lot of RAM.
This is pretty much where a lot of filming gets done. It's mostly where we keep the giveaway stuff.
This is
game
awesome,
and
man.
yeah, I mean it's awesome.
No way.
Yeah, those are VR goggles. We use those every now and then just
oh man, I've always wanted to try these. I've never tried. Oh my god, this is incredible. What is this like? This is like a cave game, or is it like it's like midnight in ancient times?
They're not on.
Oh. Well,
it happened. It's all good.
All right, I'm here with Carter, and he is filming some B-roll for, what is this for, a product placement?
Yeah, this is so we're doing like product reviews and trying to highlight this particular GPU. And so we got it set on this turntable, we got cool lighting, and then this is a super expensive motorized slider. Wow. And look at this, it's kind of like a Game Boy or something. You just move it. And so, yeah, I mean, I've spent years kind of perfecting this skill so I can do something, like really cool movements.
You get really nuanced.
Yeah, it takes years actually to learn how to do it.
Here, I'm going to show you exactly how to shoot a beautiful product. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, I mean, it's okay.
And action. You put that on the internet, and people will buy it.
You think so?
Oh yeah. What's the next move you're doing now?
Next move is going to cut this tube a little bit lower so that it can fit into this.
Oh, I see. And that's going to be what, for water?
Yeah, for water to go through the CPU and into this radiator.
Now, do you use fresh water or salt water? I know a little something about cameras, all right? All right, well.
Yeah, I mean, that might be a good shot of the ceiling.
Make sure you don't run out of film. This is still running. GPUs are used in computers. So what function do they serve?
They compute.
All right, well listen, I've actually done this type of thing before. I used to apprentice for a plumber for 3 days. It was horrible. But I do know how to do this, so if you just get out of my way, please, so I can do this work. I'll show you exactly how we did it back in the day. And you just put this right. Oh my God.
This is how we get good B-roll.
This is insane. I'm kind of freaking out a little. Now let me ask you a question actually, because I'm reading this book. It's called The Gods Themselves by Isaac Asimov. And in the future, we can communicate and send objects to parallel dimensions.
Sounds pretty cool.
Can this do that?
Almost.
It's freaking amazing. They're doing amazing work here. Damn, this is crazy.
Yeah. That's a good shot.
Oh my God. I've never seen anything so beautiful. Oh, I just saw the face of God. He looks bored. And actually, it reminds me, I'm an actor. I was actually in this movie where I had to get in this fight with this guy because we were in a computer, he was trying to steal the microchips, microchips.
Yeah.
So we were getting in this fight, and he kept taking a swing, take a swing at me, no, not a real one. Just watch my face. And then I was kind of I had karate skills, so I was kind of hitting him back. Okay. And then I ended it with this awesome roundhouse because I was like, I want to tell you! One of the things that really, really impresses me about this place is the employees. They're so dedicated, they're so good at what they do. Everybody's got a job, and they're 100% committed. They do amazing work. Doing great work there, Gino.
It's Vinny.
I don't think so.